Everywhere on the internet, people are selling the same dream. Make a digital product, sell a course, make passive income. And suddenly, it's feel like everyone making money online. Creator launch products, threads about 10k a month we make, and screenshot strip notification. But here is the strange part. Behind the scene, most digital product fail. Not small failure, like completely silent. No buyer, no traction, no real business. So, the question in my mind is that if the digital product is so powerful, why most creator not making money? Today I want to show you something that nobody show you, because products are not the problem. How creators think about that's a problem. Now let's be honest, the idea of digital product is extremely attractive. Think about it. No inventory, no warehouse, no shipping. You create something once and theoretically sells forever. That's why reason most of creator come in a digital product business. Courses, guides, templates, Notion system, and on the surface it's look like everyone is winning. You see tweets about 10k a month launch, you see creator posting strip screenshot, you see people saying digital product changed my life. But here what you don't see, the thousands of product launches are completely fail like no audience, no early buyers, just complete silence. Creators spend months something building and nothing happens. Let me show you something shocking. I studied tracking 500 digital product business, found something brutal. 87% of them never made even $1,000 total revenue. Not 1,000 per month, not 1,000 per year, not 1,000 in their entire lifetime. And this is not because creators are lazy. They work month and month on product, making best landing page, recording videos, scripting, perfecting slides. They built something they were proud of. Then nothing happened. No sales, no buyer, no early buyer, just silence. The biggest lie in a creator economy is this: if your product is good, people will buy. That sounds logical, but it's completely wrong, because people don't buy perfect product. They buy product that solve painful problem. And most creators don't build solution, they build ideas, and it's a big difference, bro. Research show the number one reason digital product fail is building something nobody actually need. Creator think this could be a perfect product because they give month on month, but they never ask one question: is this a painful enough problem that someone pay to solve it? Let me tell you a story. One of the first digital product I work on look amazing. The content was strong, the design was clean, everyone felt professional. My team and I spent weeks making it perfect. Then we launch. We wait. 48 hours gone, nothing happened. Zero sales. Month on month working on digital product and no sale. It's feel like it's scam. At that moment I realized something painful. We did not fail because the product was bad. We failed because nobody know it exists. We spent all our time building, almost no time for creating demand. Most creators think the process look like this: step 1, build the product; step 2, launch it; step 3, start marketing. But that order is completely wrong. The creator who actually success flip the entire process. Their process look like this: step 1, find the painful problem; step 2, talk about the problem publicly; step 3, build authority around the problem; step 4, validate demand; step 5, then build the complete product. This is why some creators sell hundreds of copies on one day, not because their product are magical, but because their audience is already waiting. Commit the problem and I send you the PDF of complete step-by-step system. Here what we do differently now. Before we building any digital product, we start with early marketing. No ads, no aggressive selling, just authority based. Like we create things like free guide, frameworks, simple tools, valuable post, all focus on one specific problem. This does three powerful things. It builds trust, it proves demand is existed, and number 3, it attracts the exact people who need the product. Another harsh truth: most creators focus on content creation, not problem solving. But making money online is not about content creation, it's about value creation. Studies show many creators struggle financially because they depend on platform, algorithm, or brand deals instead of building real product or system. What I want to say, like, not make randomly content. If you make randomly content, you always depend on brand deals. So solve one specific problem for one specific customer. When you build something that solve a real problem, you control the outcome. You can't depend on brand deals and other monetization system. At the strategy, big creator also apply like Mr. Beast, Logan Paul, KSI. They all have their own product. Not digital product, but some kind of product that they own. They don't depend on brand deals. So the next time someone tell you build the digital product, make money online, this is a completely wrong system. Remember this, the goal is not making the digital product, the goal is solving the problem that exists in a market. The goal is to solve the problem so well that people feel stupid not buying solution. That's when digital product start working. Thank you so much for your time. Comment product and I send you the ultimate step-by-step system.